Good morning, my dear students. I am Prakash Shah. Dear students, in our today topic, I am going to explain about the adverb. The first of all, the definition of adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective, another adverb, a pronoun, a preposition, a conjunction, a phrase, or even a sentence. An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective, another adverb, a pronoun, a preposition, a conjunction, a phrase, or even a sentence. An adverb modifies the verb in a sentence, like that she sang sweetly. How she sang? She sang sweetly. Here sang is the verb and sweetly is the adverb. Sang how? Sweetly. So in this sentence, she sang sweetly, sang is the verb and sweetly is the adverb. Let's take another example. The farmer walked fast. The farmer walked fast. How? Walked how? Fast. So, fast is the adverb. An adverb can modify an adjective or another adverb. An adverb can modify an adjective or another adverb. Like, just take an example. She sang a very sweet song. She sang a very sweet song. In this sentence, very modifying the sweet, an adjective. Very is the adjective and very is the adverb and sweet is the adjective. She sang a very sweet song. In this sentence, very is the adverb and sweet is the adjective. An adverb can modify a pronoun, preposition and conjunction as well. The first of all, we take an example. Almost everybody in the office believed her story. In this sentence, almost everybody in the office believed her story. Almost is the adverb and everybody is the pronoun. So, there are some kinds of adverb. Some kinds of adverbs are adverb of time, adverb of time. In the adverb of time, early, soon, late, yet, still, lately, already, then, recently, today, ago, etc. are mentioned. The first kind of adverb is the adverb of time. The second one is adverb of frequency, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree or quantity, adverb of reason. What are the kinds of adverb? Adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree or quantity, adverb of reason. The first of all, we are going to know about the adverb of time. It shows about which show when the work is done. It's inclined towards the when the work is done, when the activities has already completed. I going to do this work right now. I am going to do this work right now. In this sentence, now it shows about the time where in which time I am going to do this work right now. So in this sentence, I am going to do this work right now. We shall complete the assignment today. We shall complete the assignment today. When we will complete our assignment? Today. Adverb of place, it shows where. Adverb of place, it shows where the action is completed. Adverb of place, it shows that it shows about the place. It shows where the action is. Move from here. In this sentence, move from here. Where where it is told to move from here. So here is it just totally specify about the place. Move from here, go from here, go and sit there. Where? Go and sit there. So we have seen that in these two examples, here and there it is mentioned about the place. Adverb of manner. Adverb of manner in in this in this type of adverb, it shows in what manner. In this types of adverb, it shows about what of manner. How you will know which which type of which type of word indicates about the adverb of manner, like that: fast, slowly, politely, boldly, easily, well, etc. All these words shows about the adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. This story is well acted by the man. This story is well acted by the man. How this story is acted by the man? Well. Well. So, well. He fought bravely. How he fought? Bravely. So, fast, slowly, politely, boldly, easily, well, all these words shows about the adverb of manner. Adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. In adverb of frequency, there are some words which are just shows us about the frequency, like that: always, never, seldom, often, daily, sometimes, rarely, frequently. All these are is the symbolic words for adverb of frequency. This adverb expresses the frequency of an action and answers the question how often. This adverb expresses the frequency of an action and answers the questions how often. Let's take an example. She had warned him twice. How many times she had warned him? Twice. So adverb frequency means twicely, thricely. As I have already earlier mentioned all of you about there are some types of words that indicates about the adverb of frequency, and those words are always, never, seldom, often, daily, sometimes, rarely, frequently, etc. Adverb of degree. Adverb of degree, it shows about from these words. It shows through these words: very, to, enough, just, quite, almost, fairly, rather, much, real, nearly, etc. These adverbs express the degree or intensity of an action. These adverbs express the degree or intensity of an action. They answer the question how much and to into what extent. Like that, this tea is too sweet. This tea is too sweet. How much sweet is? It is too sweet to drink. Interrogative adverbs. In interrogative adverbs, it is indicated through the when, since, when, why, how much, how often. These adverbs are used to ask questions. After that, exclamatory adverbs are also there. These adverbs are used in exclamations to express degree or extent. Adverb of reason. Adverb of reason, he therefore lived from there. It shows about the reason. For what purpose? For the purpose. Adverb of reason, he therefore lived from there. We are unable to help her, hence we sought others' help. In the interrogative adverbs, we have already mentioned about the from such words it is mentioned about the interrogative adverbs like when, since, why, how much, how often, all these words. Let's take an example about the interrogative adverbs. When did the match start? How deep is this lake? Understand. Adverb of time. How you will know about the adverb of time? What are the some words which indicated that such words indicated about the adverb of time, like that early, soon, late, yet, still, lately, already, then, recently, today, ago. All these are just it is indicated towards the adverb of time, indicated about the adverb of time. This adverb indicate the time of an action and answer the questions when. We bought this house recently. We reached earlier from our time. Adverb of place and position, it is also indicated through some words like that: here, there, near, up, down, in, out, everywhere, somewhere, nowhere, etc. So students, in this today video we have learned about the adverbs and their kinds, and how we shall uses this accordingly in our sentence. In our forthcoming video we are going to discuss about on another topic.